Welcome to the Mueller Electric Closeup Clips, where you'll get concise, focused insights into the key features, benefits, and applications of our products. This video will showcase our RF coaxial SMA cable assemblies. Our SMA cable assemblies are for electronic test equipment with high frequency. These cables are easy to handle, excellent in smaller spaces. Manufactured for production, laboratory test and measurement, defense, military, aerial antenna towers, and more. We manufacture with SMA gold-plated connectors at 50 ohms RG316 cable for flexibility. All lengths available. Operating temperature minus 65 degrees Celsius, minus 65 degrees Fahrenheit, and up to 150 degrees Celsius, 302 degrees Fahrenheit. 335 volts working voltage at sea level, supporting frequencies from DC up to 26 gigahertz. Each cable has a low VSWR as well as low insertion loss. Our flexible cable is terminated with an SMA male connector. Choose from our selection of connectors, including SMA, BNC, N-type, MCX, and U.FL. Available lengths ranging from 6 inches or 152.40 millimeters to 48 inches or 1,219.20 millimeters and 1 meter, 39.4 inches to 2 meters, 78.7 inches. Customizable cable assemblies are available. Our cables are manufactured and comply with IEC 61076-2-101 and Industry 4.0. CE certified, RoHS 3 and REACH compliant. Mueller Electric assures high quality and consistency in manufacturing our products for 100 years and achieves excellence in meeting today's rigorous demands for certifications. In choosing Mueller Electric's electronic and electrical component supplies, you'll receive a reliable, high-quality, feature-packed solution that's competitively priced. This makes them a great option for original equipment manufacturers and our electronic distribution partners. Discover more solutions from Mueller Electric by scanning the QR code or visiting our website at muellerelectric.com. Thank you for watching.